get an unexpected Facebook message from Alex saying, "Dude, you training?" I say, "No, I'm at home." He says, "Well, I'm at the Vanguard. Come to the Vanguard, have a drink. We've got a guy here who's over with the RAF on base. We're having a drink. Come and have a drink with us." Yeah, hop on my motorcycle and over to the Vanguard. So as you can see, this is me and Alex riding over to the next bar, 4 Girls.
I'm due for new brakes.
What?
I'm due for new brakes on my back end.
Oh, okay.
They're squealing.
Mine squeals too.
Yeah.
This is us arriving at 4 Girls Bar and Grill. Just waiting for this truck to pull out so we can park. So this takes a minute for the truck to pull out, so just bear with us, and then we park in backwards and go in the bar. Alex for a beer, I have a Coke. The beer I had in the Vanguard, just the one, went straight to my head. I am such a lightweight. I hardly ever drink anymore. One beer and I'm done. So leaving the bar now, on the ride home, Alex decided to go to the bar next door. He wanted to talk to his real estate agent or something. Old downtown Hampton has improved considerably over the last 5 years. 5-6 years ago, there was absolutely nothing. So here we go, and tally ho, and off we go, riding past the Vanguard bar and venue, on my way home, in the dark. It's almost 11 o'clock at night, so time for belly bites.